I'm Mars from China, DAPU, and I'm now in my Egypt customer office.
Hello, my name is Ahmed. I am from Egypt Roads. We are a factory located in Egypt. We started doing business with Mars back in 2019. We started our business by buying a wire drawing machine and straightening and cutting machines and straight line wire drawing machines. This is a very good company with a great quality of products, and the customer service is great. We needed some parts later in 2021, and we contacted Mars and he sent it right away without any extra fees. The machine worked great and everything is good, and we made 3 orders till now, and now we are buying new machines. I suggest that anyone looking for a wire drawing machine or straightening and cutting machines, they contact Mars. The great products with a great price, and customer service is also great. Thank you.